Hello, John and Ryan. My name is Francisco from Amplified Digital Marketing, located here in Central Washington, specifically the Yakima area. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things that you can do today to help in bring in more customers to your business and outbeat your competition online. So most likely you're sitting there asking yourself, well, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? So oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone new or just hiring someone in general is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I have found that by giving people a free, easy attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free is super beneficial. So if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, well, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan and do it yourself, that works for me too. So now, let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. This is currently your site. You guys need at least 1,000 to 1,500 words of content to be optimized with Google. You guys currently have 281 words of content. These guys, which is your competition, Sturm Heating and Air Conditioning, they have 3,150 words. Now, very beatable. This is something that we can help and outbeat and outrank your competition. Another thing I want to show you when it comes to content is HVAC Spokane. If you look, I'm on Google. This is a keyword that people search for every month in your area. When it comes to HVAC Spokane, 600 people are searching for this every month. Currently, right now, Sturm Heating and Air Conditioning, they're number 1 in the GMB, and then number 1 in organic listings. Moving on to the next visible thing, which is what I mentioned. This is called a Google My Business or a GMB. And clearly we can see that he's ranked number 1. Now, the information that is on here is obviously the name of the company, the address of the company, the phone number, and so forth. Okay, and normally if you click to more, you can see that these are ads, so people are paying to be on the top 2. And then these are the top 3 currently being ranked organically. Okay. Now, a tool that I use that helps me understand how we can beat your competition is called Whitespark. Citations. So citations are basically sites that include, like I mentioned, your business name, your phone number, your address, and the services you provide. Currently, right now, you guys have 49 citations. Sturm Heating and Air Conditioning, they have 59. Now, the things that we would do for you and help you outrank your competition is look at all of these citations that are currently being done for this company, and we'll go out and get them for you. And that's what's going to help outrank your competition online. The third thing I want to show you, and the final thing I want to show you, is backlinks. Okay, so let me go ahead and use this tool. Currently, right now, your business has actually, this is a competition. I apologize. You currently have 128 backlinks. Now, you're probably wondering, well, what does that mean? So let me put this in perspective. Okay, so link juice or backlinks works like this. Site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B, in this case, let's just say your site, more authority in Google's eyes, and it's almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain, every backlink you obtain, works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back to you. For example, if you have an HVAC site linking back to you, it would be more effective than, like, let's say Pizza Hut linking back at you, because hey, you don't sling pizzas for a living. Okay, and like I mentioned, you have currently 128, and your competition, they have 766 backlinks, which is one of the reasons why they're very authoritative on Google's eyes, right? This is why Google is ranking them higher. However, that's something that we can help you with. Now, again, I want to go over what we discussed, okay? So 1, you need at least 1,500 words of content. 2, citations. We need to get you at least to outbeat your competition by a landslide, about 200 to 300 more of these citations. And then the last thing, link juice. We need more relative sites pointing back to you. That way, in Google's eyes, you're authority, and they'll rank you higher on Google. Now, once again, John, my name is Francisco. I'm located here in the Yakima area, Central Washington, so I'm not too far from you. If you're interested in learning more, please give me a call back at 509-402-2892. Once again, my name is Francisco. So if you can give me a call back, we can chat, shoot me an email. I'm going to send you an email with this information. Once again, my cell phone number is 509-402-2892. I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. Happy New Year's, and we'll talk to you soon.